Delkor is a leading manufacturer of case packing and cartoning equipment. With a full lineup of intelligent packing technology, plus the expertise to engineer fully integrated packaging systems, Delkor is the leading manufacturer for many frozen food and goods providers. The versatile LSP series case packer is a great addition to any operation that needs to run multiple shipper styles on a single line, including Delkor's patented shelf-ready Cabrio case, club store trays, and brown box shippers. The articulating FANUC robot arms are able to handle up to 20 pounds of product. Delkor's Performance Series case packer handles a range of containers, from cups, pouches, or cartons, all with quick toolless changeovers between each style. The Performance Series also features patented intelligent synchronization technology in feeds that will align your product for ideal packing efficiency. With an ability to form the full range of shipper styles and cartons, the Trifecta Series formers are the perfect match to many of Delkor's advanced robotic packaging systems. The G Series features adjustable cavities that offer a great tolerance and a drop-in template design, ensuring changeovers are a breeze. It can achieve rates up to 40 cases per minute, while the Trifecta S Series former can reach up to 150 cases per minute. Delkor's closers offer the perfect close to a Delkor case packing line. Our F Series has the ability to achieve rates up to 60 cases per minute. The Delkor S Series closer is able to reach speeds up to 175 cases per minute. With its patented intelligent positioning technology, this machine is able to close tri-sealed cartons and perfectly align the flaps to ensure graphics are displayed correctly. Our turnkey palletizing systems offer a great way to tie your entire line together. Easily integrated into your plant's line, Delkor can deliver a finished, stretch-wrap pallet retrievable by an automatic guided vehicle or a manned forklift. All Delkor equipment is designed and manufactured in Minneapolis, Minnesota. With 350-plus employees and over 300,000 square feet of production space, we stand ready to provide fully tested packaging systems for your next project. Thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.